In this video, you will learn how to add users or staff members to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin account, go to your Shopify admin dashboard using your store URL, then sign in with your owner or admin credentials. Navigate to Settings. In the bottom left hand corner of your admin page, click Settings to open the store management options. Select Users and Permissions. Under Settings menu, click Users and Permissions to view all current staff and collaborators. Click Add Staff. Choose the Add Staff option to start the process of inviting a new player to your store. Enter staff details and then set your permissions. Type in staff members' names or email address, then choose the permissions and select what you can access. Send the invitation. Click Send Invite to email the staff member. Once accepted the invitation, you'll have access to your Shopify store based on the permissions you have set. Now you know how to add staff members or users to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.